Hi everybody, welcome back to the channel. We've got a Boxycharm, so let's get into it and check it out. This is my January premium box. It's a little box. This is, I think, the second month, right, that I have gotten a small premium. Let's see what I've got in here. That's the beauty of Boxycharm. It's always a surprise. You know the item you pick, but beyond that, it is a surprise. With Boxycharm Premium, we do generally pick 2 items. It is a $28, is that true? You know, these prices change constantly. Let me look at my paperwork. I still have this listed as a $28 box. If I'm wrong, I'll tell you right here. And we get 6 full-size products. We have choice with 2 of them from a very limited category of things to choose from. That is what the paperwork looks like. It says still fresh and so clean because it is January's premium. And I am customization 250. I have Mr. iPad right here. Let's look back and see what my January choices were, and then we will know. I try and keep the emails. Do you guys do the same, or do you try and forget? So that I can tell you guys what I chose, I try and keep my email. I can tell you what I picked for February, and I can tell you what I picked for December. Apparently in the month of December, I did some really bad bookkeeping. I'm not sure that I can tell you what I picked. So apparently I didn't screen cap it, so we're just gonna take a couple of wild guesses. You guys will probably let me know if I choose something that wasn't a choice. When we take the paper off the top, this is what it looks like. Yeah, I got no idea. Okay, digging in. Right off the top, we have a Volition Strawberry C Brightening Serum. Didn't pick this. I can't use strawberry oil. I never knew that it was because of vitamin C, but strawberry C makes me think that is why. We'll set this aside for an upcoming giveaway. We have the Strawberry C Brightening Serum with vitamin C and hyaluronic acid. Oh, it's pretty. It's kind of a light pinky beigey color. I bet it smells good too. I don't know why I decided that. Probably just because of the strawberries, but go there with me. This is the Volition Strawberry C Brightening Cream. It has a $42 value. A brightening serum powered by 20% strawberry-derived vitamin C and hyaluronic acid for noticeable radiance, hydration, and even-toned skin. And it's from Volition Beauty. It's not impossible, entirely impossible that I chose this, because sometimes none of the choices are great for me and I pick something that I think would be nicest in a giveaway. So it's not impossible that I picked that, but it seems not likely. Next, we have a Murad Retinol Youth Renewal Eye Serum. I will give the same speech. It's not impossible that I picked this. I could have chosen it because it would go in a giveaway and they had nothing in the category that I would have liked, but I would argue this is probably not what I chose because I don't use retinol. We're batting 1,000, guys. Here's hoping we started with the stuff that doesn't work for me, and we're going to move on really soon to the stuff that does. Retinol is too much for my face, so I don't use it. But people love the Murad products. I will set this aside for a giveaway. Okay. The paperwork says Murad Retinol Youth Eye Renewal, $89 value. This is going to be a good giveaway. Prevent and reduce the look of wrinkles all around the eyes, including the lids, with this patented retinol tri-active technology for potent yet gentle results. All ages and sensitive skin welcome. Helps minimize the signs of aging you can see and the ones you can't yet. Provides 24 hours of hydration to reduce dryness as it instantly brightens. Delivers an instant dose of retinol and a dose of retinol over time to minimize irritation and prolong benefits. Okie dokie. Next out, we have Item Beauty. This is Lucky Time Gel Pencil. I have not had this. I have had her, who does Item? Is it Addison Rae? You know, guys, I'm just not hip enough to know. I have had the mascara, and I love it because it's a tiny little brush, and I don't always put mascara on my bottom lids, but when I do... I sound like that guy. I don't always fill in the blank, but when I do, I don't always put it down there, but when I do, I don't use my tubing because my eyes tend to water and the water comes down. And if that happens with a tubing mascara, if it gets wet, it will kind of come off. And I love the Item Beauty mascara for that because it is such a small brush. It's easy for me to use on my bottom lashes. Where am I open? Okay, here we go. Definitely the easiest way to open it. And it's a black eyeliner, so if I don't like it, my daughter will. Get it out. This is what it looks like. I'd say it's just a pencil that we sharpen. Yep, just an old-fashioned pencil. What does the paperwork say? Item Beauty by Addison Rae. Ching ching, nailed it. Okay. Not necessarily something a person should be proud about, but I am, so yay me. Is a long wear waterproof gel eyeliner pencil, the ultra soft, easy glide, clean gel pencil that is water, sweat, and smudge proof for intense, long lasting pigment and creamy matte finish. And it has a $14 value. Oh, wow. Oh my goodness. For a pencil, that went, watch, I'm almost gonna apply no pressure. Do you guys see? That was so creamy and went on so easily. I almost never choose a pencil because, and I've talked about this in the past, it makes me sad, but here we go, we'll talk about it again. As you get older, your eyelids have less tautness. You know, they get a little more. So when you use a pencil, it kind of tugs at your skin. I know, it is all very sad. I can't believe it's happening to me. Enjoy your youth, because when you're in your 20s and your 30s, you're thinking, I'm going to take care of myself, and that's never going to happen. I feel pretty lucky to be in my mid to late 50s. I feel like I'm really getting there. Genetics is awesome. I've always taken care of my skin, but you also can't beat genetics. But it's going to happen. So do everything you can to take care of it. Stay out of the sun. Wear sunscreen. This has been your public announcement. If you are lucky enough, you will get to an age where there will be nothing you can do except for put on a lot of moisture and find things that don't tug at your eyelids when you put on liners. Okay, next out we have hide. I've taken my glasses off and the only word I can read there is hide, and it is Invisible Oil-Free Medium Full Coverage Foundation in linen. Okay, I'm gonna go with, I think I chose this. You guys know I love to pick foundations. And I picked this, I think, after I found out that the lightest weren't working for me. And I don't know if you can tell it from there, if it's coming across from there. That is very yellow next to my skin. I can tell it here is very yellow. Hide. Premium foundation, the perfect liquid foundation. Achieve the perfect natural look with this soft matte foundation that easily builds to medium full coverage. The custom oil-free formula is made to resist sweat and won't clog your pores. It has a $30 value. It is new to Boxy. I think it said the new brand was new. Yeah, it's a new brand to Boxy. So it's not just this product, it's the whole brand. Do I know anything about Hide? Remind me if I do, what other products they do. Let me know down below. What other products? I don't think I've ever heard of them. Since I went with a darker color, because the lighter colors that I have been choosing have not been working for me, they've been too light because I'm basically tan now. I got a darker color. I have less hesitancy in using a darker color because if I choose a darker color that ends up being too dark for me, I have a lot of people in my life. Everybody is darker skin toned than I am. This is really, I don't know if it's coming across because black on white, hello, sticky part sticking to me. Black on white is hard to project, but this is raised. This says underlining and it's white on white. Yeah, probably 0% chance that comes across. Point being, this looks nice in public. In public. Nope. Right here in private. This looks nice in person. Okay. I'm just like a child. I just did my XO Marshmallow. Oh, the color looks pretty good. I just did my XO Marshmallow unboxing, so I have sugar coursing through my veins. That looks pretty good, guys. I mean, it doesn't, oh, it might have a little yellow. Oh, it might have a lot of yellow. And it is also kind of light. This is like 6 shades in. It might work on my face. The coverage would be fantastic. Can you guys tell how the coverage would be? I don't know if it's coming across though compared to my skin tone. It's a little yellow. I might can pull this off in the summer. And since it's a semi-matte, that's probably a better time for me to try and pull it off. What is that smell? It's not offensive. I know, my face did not say. It's not offensive, my face said. But it has a slightly chemical smell. Also came with directions. Eek the cat. Your coverage just got more sophisticated. Apply with brush, sponge, or fingertips. Need more coverage. It's easily buildable. Well, I mean, that's a lot of coverage. Yeah, that is a lot of coverage. That was one pump. I could do my face in a Friends, but I'm afraid it's gonna be yellow. We're gonna try it. I've used it. You know what? If this doesn't work for me, it may work for my mom because she's a little more yellow. I guess that's the word. A little more yellow undertoned. I'm very pink and blue. She's kind of more yellow. we'll try it. We'll see what happens. Next out we have, what is this? Salute to the Sun. Does not sound like something I would have picked. Drama Bomb Extreme Volume Nourishing Mascara. Drama Bomb. That is what that looks like. It's got a lot going on here. I think it's Egyptian signs, right? Oh, it's from Uoma. Oh, I might have picked this. Was this one of our choices? If it is, I probably picked it. It is in Kem, K-E-M. It's black. That is what it looks like. And it says Uoma Beauty, salute. When they say it, by the way, it sounds easier than that. It sounds like Uoma, Uoma, Uoma. One more time, Kathrin. Uoma Beauty. It flows much more nicely when the owners say it. Salute to the Sun Drama Bomb Mascara. It has a $19.50 value, and it says this bestseller is now dripping in gold. It must not usually come in gold packaging. The unique hourglass-shaped wand grabs and lifts each lash, delivering extreme volume, while the nourishing formula moisturizes and promotes lash growth. It has a $19.50 value. I'm not going to open it. I'm using my Thrive mascara, and I actually already have a non-tubing one for when I need non-tubing. If you know you're going to swim or cry, you do not want to have a tubing mascara on. But those are the only times in my life where I don't use it. So I'm going to go ahead and set this aside, either for me or maybe a giveaway, but I'm not going to go ahead and open it now. And then last we have the Huda. Oh, if this was a choice, I'm sure I chose this. It is the Huda Liquid Matte in, ooh, alluring. That is going to be shockingly red. Let's get it out of there. I like shockingly red. I could take this off and we could put this on. Why not, right? What could possibly go wrong with me putting on a flat out red liquid lipstick that if I make any slight misstep, I will look like a crime scene for the rest of the day. I say we do it. If this was an option, I probably chose this because as a rule, I enjoy the Huda products. Huda Beauty Liquid Matte Lipstick, $21 value. This iconic game-changing liquid matte lipstick is a comfortable, weightless formula. Easy to apply, velvety and vibrant. It keeps the lips supple with max color payoff for 8 hours. All right, we're doing it. Let me take what I have on off. Oof. I gotta tell you, does taste like what does it taste like? Which Hazel? 0 out of 10 recommend. And just for the record, because it comes up quite often, what I had on my lips was the Ciate London Apollo. It's the, it doesn't say on here, Glitter Bomb, maybe Glitter Bomb. And this is what it looks like. I wear it every time, it's almost gone. I wear it almost every time I tape. I love it. It goes on, although it's glitter, I don't end up with the glitter all over my face. It stays, it doesn't wander down into my cracks and crevices, which is a real disappointment when I'm making a video. It's moisturizing. I like it a lot. Highly recommend this if you don't mind some glitter. I don't wear it out in my regular life because of the glitter. Not that you couldn't. You absolutely could. I just don't, but I would love this exact color and I've put no effort into finding it. The Apollo, I would love that in no glitter. That would be awesome. Okay. This is what we have. It is red. We're just gonna do it. I have no liner on or anything. We're just gonna put this on. Oh, it's an orange red. Oh, it's it's almost orange on me. I don't know if that's coming across. This feels like a test with no liner. Does that tell you how much which red you choose matters? I always like a blue red because of my skin tone. I don't know if it's coming across. First of all, let's address the lippy. That went on fantastic. This is a very deep red. Did you guys see how easily I put it on? When you pull the doe foot out, it's not oversaturated. There's not so much on it that I had to swipe it off even. I just went right to applying it, and I don't have it all over my face. So The mechanism works very nicely. It feels good. It went on very, very easily. I didn't feel like it was bleeding out. We'll watch it for the next couple minutes, you know, right in here. Yeah, to make sure it doesn't, but it's drying down, so I don't think it's gonna wander, but this is called alluring. I haven't read online what they say about alluring, but can you guys tell how orange it is on me? That is an orange red on me. I don't hate it. I don't love it. I don't think it makes my teeth look white. You know, I think that the lippy you wear, let me see, if I put what I normally wear next to it, will it make the orange of it stand out? Does it make the orange of it stand out? Can you guys tell it's orange? I'll know in editing, but let me know what you guys think. What do you think of this color? It's too orange for me, right? It dried down. I mean, it's got no stickiness, no tackiness, but it's also got no moisture. I would probably have to put a little bit of I keep this Sephora up here just to sometimes put a little gloss on over. Probably won't do it today because I'm going to tape a couple more videos and I don't want to end up with, but I mean, I like it. The formula is fantastic. I enjoy the formula very much. It's just not the perfect color for me. That said, I might like it in the fall. Okay. That was my Boxycharm Premium for January. If I was forced to bet, like right now, somebody said, you have to choose, I would say I picked the lippy and the foundation because those sound like me. So in January, I got the lippy and the foundation. I believe these were my choices. I'm sure you guys saw all the choices and you can let me know below if I remember this correctly. And then the Uoma mascara and the Item Beauty eyeliner. So of the 6, I received 4 makeups. That, personally, that is the combination I like. 2 skincare, 4 makeup, that works for me. I know everybody's different and you might be a person that prefers to have skincare, but I can use all of these and continue using the other makeup, the other liners, the other lippies. I can continue using those. With skincare, I use a skincare pretty much until it's gone. I jump around a little bit because mostly I use my City Beauty and then I try other things, but if I switched over to one of these, it would take me months to get through it. So all of the other skincare would just sit not being used. But with my makeup, I jump around so it all gets used. I hope that wasn't really confusing. So this is what I got for January. It is I'm saying it's $28. That's a lie. That's a big fat lie, right? It's like $39.99. Did I say $28? I looked at the wrong line. It is $39.99. $39.99. And that's if it hasn't gone up. And I don't think it has. It says we'll have a value of more than $215 and 5 to 6 items. We almost always get 6 items. So no. In the beginning when she said $28, she didn't know what she was talking about. It's $39.99. Okay. Still worthwhile though. Thank you so much for coming by, guys. I really appreciate you taking the time to be here. Let me know below what you got in your boxes and if you liked them. This was the January box. I don't have any of my February's. I am taping this on February 7th. I think it might be the 7th. It's the 6th or the 7th. I'm also great with dates. Bane of my husband's existence. Thank you so much for being here, guys. I appreciate you taking the time to be here. Please like, subscribe, hit the notification bell so you'll know when I have more videos coming out. Did I finish that thought? It is February 6th or 5th or 6th, whichever it is, and I don't have any of my, but that makes sense why I don't have any of my Boxycharm boxes yet. I have had a large diet Dr. Pepper and too much caffeine for lunch. We won't talk about that anymore.